What is up, YouTube? It is me, Brinks. So today I feel like it's time we talk about this invest and this invest. Both invests are now starting to look like they're going to form. So we got this one disturbance with a 100% chance of cyclone formation in the next 7 days. Satellite images indicate that the area of low pressure located roughly midway between Africa and the Lesser Antilles, right there, has become better organized overnight and is close to becoming a tropical cyclone. If current trends continue, advisories could be initiated on a tropical depression later today as of June 19th. And it's 8 a.m., so that was 21 minutes ago that this was updated. This system is forecast to move generally westward at 15 and 20 miles per hour, with further development across the central tropical Atlantic through the middle part of this week. Additional information on the system, including storm warnings, can be found in high sea forecast by the National Weather Service. Notice 100% for both of them. Now let's talk about this other one right behind it. So we got showers and thunderstorms have increased in association with a tropical wave located several hundred miles southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. Further development of the system is possible, and a tropical depression can form within the next few days while the system moves westward at 10 to 15 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. So in the next 48 hours, 30%. In the next 7 days, 40%. So basically, it's getting very close to that development, and it's looking like we're going to see Tropical Storm Brett later today in the afternoon. Here's the satellite imagery for both. This is for Invest 92L, which is the one that'll probably be Brett later today. Also, let me just show it on here real quick. This is what it looks like as of 8 a.m., just 23 minutes ago. And here is the other one right behind it. Looking very getting there to that well organized. Honestly, I have a feeling we're probably going to see two cyclones that come off the main development region off of the coast of Africa. We're probably going to see at least two tropical cyclones, Brett, and if this one does become one, this will be named Cindy. From the 2023 Atlantic Hurricane Season naming list. Here we got the sea surface temperatures where Brett's at. Very warm waters. That is definitely feeding the system. And right behind it where the other one Invest is at. Still very warm waters. So I have a feeling, and the fact that there's barely any shear around these places, only shear like right around here, and I believe up here, maybe up here. So I have a feeling that these systems, well, I mean, of course, there is dry air, like, right around here, but, I have a feeling, like, these systems are going to be definitely fueled, because nothing's really stopping them. There's no dry air, there is no shear, well, there is dry air, but you know what I mean. There's no shear, like, where it's at, there's no dry air, and there's no shear, so there will be development. Here is a very good look at the new potential tropical development. This is definitely the main focus right now, which, of course, behind it, we got the other Invest. But this one's definitely the main focus right now. This looks literally, you can literally see the circulation coming in. The other day when it was just off the coast of Africa, there was no circulation. It was very disorganized, but it has definitely collected its organization and probably will become a tropical depression later today, if not a tropical storm, and will be named. Where you can only just really hope that this won't affect any land, like over here or so, but it's looking like it's kind of drifting towards over there to these Lesser Antilles. Hopefully not Puerto Rico, though, because they did just have a storm last year with Fiona, and yeah, they had a whole mess over there, which Fiona ended up impacting Canada, but you know what I'm saying. Here is the other Invest, right behind it. As you can see, definitely collecting its development as well. It's like they're, definitely, like, double, you know, it's kind of unusual. It's unusual to see this on June 19th, 2023. It's unusual to see that kind of thing in June. And I'm just saying, I know not everything that comes off the coast of Africa becomes a storm, but look at this. It's looking like, I don't know. It's just, you know, I'm just saying. But these two right here, it's very concerning. Now, let's see if the models have changed from last update. We got both systems right there. Looks like they're both definitely tropical storms at this point. If not, this one's probably depression. But here goes Brett. Or it looks like this one, look, we got a little Fujiwara. I guess that's what that's called when two storms combine. The Fujiwara effect. So that could become in place if that actually does happen. And then it goes off up into what looks like, I kind of forgot what that place was. It's St. John's. St. John's. It looks like it's going to go up there to St. John's. Because, hold on. So, we got around, okay, so this is June 25th. This is June 25th going into the 26th. Looks like we have the two storms kind of combined together. And looks like Brett will swallow Cindy, if that gets named. And then it will go up and probably hit near St. John. Yeah, or at least it will cause some rain up there, and then it's gonna eventually dissipate. But yeah, that is kind of far away, but it's forecasted to hit around July 3rd, or whatever, and then it'll dissipate off. So, I don't know, we'll have to see what happens with this, but it's looking like we have a Fujiwara effect going on. So that's kind of crazy, but I guess we'll see if the GFS model's right. So on June 25th, going into the 26th at midnight, I guess we'll see. But I don't know if this will be anything more than a tropical storm. It may be at least like a Category 1 hurricane. That's just my prediction, though. Of course, I'm very, very off. But anyways, like and subscribe. Subscribe to Force 13. Subscribe to all the other channels that will probably talk about this. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.